how to watch multiple games on Sunday Ticket. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can watch multiple games on Sunday Ticket. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So, in order to watch multiple games on Sunday Ticket, you have to follow these steps. So, first, open the YouTube app on your smart TV or streaming device. Once YouTube is open on your TV, select an NFL game. The app will automatically recognize your Sunday Ticket subscription if you're logged in, and NFL Sunday Ticket games should appear on the home page for viewing. Once you have a game playing on your TV, click down on your remote until you reach the row that says Watch 4 games at once. It's probably the first or second row. In this row, you'll be given a wide range of choices. Each choice has the game you're currently watching, along with 1, 3 others. If you're an NFL Red Zone subscriber, you'll also have options that swap one of these 1, 3 additional games with the NFL Red Zone channel. Select your desired multi-view option. After that last step, you're now on the multi-view screen and are watching up to 4 games at once. So that's how you can watch multiple games on Sunday Ticket. That's all for this video.